sebaik mungkin supaya mendapatkan hasil yang baik. Ya, sudah siap? Ya. Kita mulai ya.
Hello my friend, my name is Yodit Pandinatan. I am from Jakarta. Today I will tell you about my daily activities. First one, I wake up from my bed. And after I wake up from my bed, I will tidy out my bed. After tidying out my bed, I go to the bathroom to take a shower. And I didn't forget to brush my teeth. And after I brush my teeth, I wore my school uniform. And after I feel a need, I go to the kitchen to take some breakfast. And after I cool, I go to the school. In school, I study and play with my friends every time. When it's time to go home, I go home and play with my little brother. I didn't forget to help my mom clean the house. After I clean the house, I watch Martin TV and I play with my little brother and I help my mom with cleaning the house. In the evening, I do my homework and after I do my homework, I go to the kitchen. I have dinner. I go to my room for the activity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sankara Yesena. I'm from Jakarta. Today I want to show you about my daily activity. So in the morning, I usually wake up at 5 a.m. and then I take a shower around 10 minutes and I don't forget about toothbrush. After that, I wear my school uniform and prepare my schedule. I eat my breakfast that my mom made for me. After that, I and my father go to school at 7 o'clock. I arrive to school. It's kind crowded. I learned my first subject at 7:30 p.m. And then I rest in my school at 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. After that, I do lesson at 12 o'clock, and then I go to my home. In the afternoon, I play with my phone, and then after that, I take a shower at 5 p.m. and then have dinner with my family, and I sleep. I go to bed at 8 o'clock and sleep. Thank you.
Kasih tepuk tangan.
Good afternoon, my friend. Today I will tell you about my daily activity. In the morning, I wake up at 5:30 p.m. After that, I take a shower, wear clothes, and breakfast. In school, I eat, play, during and study. Then bring home. In home, I eat, play phone, and I sleep. After sleep, I sleep and mop. After that, I watch TV and I play my sleep. Thank you. Good afternoon, friends. My name is Ilana. Today I want to tell you for about my project. And my daily project is daily activity. Include listening and playing. Let's start my story. In the morning, I wake up at 5 p.m. And I always first take breakfast before I go to the take a bath. And after finishing breakfast, I go to the bath or take a shower. And after that, I wear a uniform and a school and a scenery ready. I go to the school with paid by my parents. And after doing this, I sit down and while my teacher is come to my class, she is start to listen. And after this, the class time is over. I go to the canteen for buy someone of food. And after lunchtime is over, I go to back to my class for to start listen again. And after this, I go home from my hotel. And I play with my best friend before I go to the class time. And after I just gone from class, yes, I give the cat his food. And I don't forget to put in the box. And while I wait, I will wait for my mom of our dinner. I always watch the television. And after that, it's ready for our dinner. I have dinner with my parents. And after that, I wash my hands, wash my face, and don't forget wash my hair. And after this, I change a longer clothes or pajamas. And I always play a song before I stop. And after this, I make a plate, take a pillow, a toaster, and I go to sleep. And I don't forget before I take a break. And next day, I thank you friends. See you again next time.
Kasih
Hello, my name is Sabina. Today I want to tell you about my daily activity. Today I wake up at 5 a.m. Then I will meditate, brush my teeth, get dressed and have a breakfast. Then I go to school. Before the bell ring, I play with my friends. After the bell ring, I study in class. And during the break, I will play ball. I study in class again. Then I go to the with my family in the afternoon. I do homework. I enjoy outside with my friends. My family with
Hello everybody, my name is Stuart. I will tell you about my daily activities. Good morning, my name is Stuart. I'm from Baki, Canada, class 6. I will I usually wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Then I take my bed soon. I have breakfast. At 6 o'clock, I go to school. After school, I prepare and play with my friends. At 7 p.m., I play handphone, then watching TV for a while. At 10 p.m., I go to sleep. That's all my daily activities. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Musai. Hello like to very I will about my daily activity. Dan kembali disampaikan oh masih ada saya my daily activity. That's another way up every day. I want in the morning then I back but school I breakfast at 6 o'clock and I go to school. After school I back and my days with my friend. At 6 p.m. I go to party and after 9 p.m. I am trying to play and work at 10 p.m. I go to sleep. That's all my daily activities. Thank you.
Bentar.
Today I was about my daily first of all, around 6 o'clock I walked to the shower. After that, I walked to
Hi everyone, my name is Veronica Manuel. I wake up early morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I eat breakfast. I like to eat toast and drink milk. After breakfast, I go to school. I read my thing at school. I go home after school. I eat goods with my family. In the afternoon, I do my homework. I also play outside with my friends. At the dinner time, I eat with my family. We talk about day before. I go to bed. I read a book. Then I said good night. Goodbye. Every day I wake up at 5:30 a.m. In the morning, the first thing I do is stretch, then I make my bed to keep it tidy. After that, I go to the bathroom to take a shower and brush my teeth. I park on my school uniform and have breakfast with my family around 6:05 I usually eat bread or rice. I go to school at 6:05 a.m. And my school starts at 7 a.m. I study daily subjects like English, math, and games. I go to home at 7:30 a.m. After I reach home, I take a rest and have lunch. In the afternoon, I play baseball with my friends in the park. After playing, I take a shower and do my homework in the evening. I have dinner with my parents, then I watch TV or my storybook. Finally, I go to bed at 9 p.m. because I want to wake up early again tomorrow. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Yanamba Resatati. I will tell you about my daily activities. In the morning, I wake up around 5 in the morning. I usually take a shower and brush my teeth. Then I wash clothes and change my hair. After changing my hair, I get to school and change my hair very quickly. I eat breakfast, breakfast and egg. After eating, I went the kids spend some dinner. I work 5 in the afternoon. Then I took a shower. After I have my water. After that, I went to sleep. Bye.
Hello, my name is Jessie. Today I will tell you about the daily activities. In the morning, I wake up at 5:30. After that, I go out to the bedroom to make a glass of white milk. After drinking it, I go to the bedroom to take a shower, wash my face, brush my teeth. After that, I go to my bedroom to wear my school uniform. Then I wear clothes and go to school at 10 to 7. I come home from school at 12:30. I clean up and have lunch. After that, I play on my cell phone. After playing on my cell phone for 2 hours, I play and deal with my little brother. At 16, I go to the bathroom to take a shower. After that, I wear clothes and eating snacks. After eating snacks, I make craft for real good on paper for 1 to 2 hours. At night, I clean myself with like rinsing my face, brush my teeth with my feet and hands. After that, I get ready to sleep. That's all my daily activities. Thank you for listening. Hello friends, my name is Lisa. I would like to tell you my about daily routine at school. In the morning, I wake up at 6 a.m. and my bed after that. I take a shower before going to school. I brush my teeth, then get dressed after that. I have breakfast before eating. At school, I enter classroom and clean my desk. Before I repeat at school, my school classroom and I study, then I break and have class 1. Then I study and I break at 9 a.m. and then I take break at 11 a.m. Afterward, we play the classroom and I have go to half past 1 because I have extra period. After returning from school, I check my clothes and at this time I have oil to play on my over for at 5 p.m. I take a shower. After that, I have dinner until I go to bed at 10 p.m.
I think working in railroad. Link then house with wife, brother and sister. And take show in 6 o'clock.
Hi, my name is Mariani. I am telling you my activity every day during morning. Morning day, I get up at 6. Then I go to the bed. Then working wash my yes, after bed, I get up and after that I go in and brush the hair. From me, my mother every Easter until finally find my few when to go home. I go home there for a long time. I have been
Hello, my name is Asika. I tell you about my experience. In the morning, I wake up around 5 a.m. and start for a while to brush my. After that, I grabbed a towel and went to the bathroom to clean myself. Then I went to my room to get ready for school. After I finished it, I had breakfast and waited for my mom to finish getting ready. Then I went to school with my mom around 6:30. Arriving at school around 6:30. I went to my classroom and waited for the bell to ring. After that, I ate go until the bell rang around 9 a.m. I took out my lunch and ate it. After eating, I chatted with my friends until the bell rang. My friends and I went to the cafeteria to buy food and drink. After that, we went to the class to eat and continue chatting. After that, we heard the bell ring and continued studying until it was time to go home. I packed up my books on the table and waited for my class leader to pray together. I got home around 7:30 p.m. I waited for my mom to pick me up and we go home. After that, I go out and went to my room to check out and take a nap. Wake up from my nap around 17 past 18 p.m. in the afternoon. And I went to the bathroom to take a shower. And after that, I helped my mom and my sister make dinner. After I helped my mom and my sister, I had dinner with my family. And after I watched a movie with my family and got ready to go to bed. That's my daily story. Thank you for listening, friends. Bye.
sometimes 3 p.m. I have a lunch. Later, I go to the sleep and go to the bed and sleep. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Tristan Amor. I address in Nagara Bupati Kampung Belakang. That morning, my siblings and I went to buy pork, chicken, and vegetables for lunch with my family. After finishing shopping at the market, my siblings and I went to for breakfast with our lunch. After looking for breakfast, my siblings and I went the room like sweeping, mopping the floor, washing dishes, while listening to music or together. That I get the lunch and break. After peeling the onions, we measured them for and chicken. After that, I went home to cook my younger siblings and food. My siblings and I relaxed when listening to songs from the band. That's my pleasure. And at night, I was to check my big sheet. I watched Connect cartoon. And when the cartoon said I feel to sleep, I was like, I go to brush.
Hello everybody, my name is Alvaro. From Monday to Saturday, I usually wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I need to prepare myself to school. There are many activities I have to do before going to school. First of all, I do my bedroom. It is very tidy. After that, I sweep the floor. I love to see my room neat and clean. When I feel happy, I walk around my house. Also, I do some physical movement to stretch my body. Then I prepare for food based on menu. I don't want to read any book at home. I was organized what and shower. Finally, I eat breakfast after wearing my school uniform. Before going to school, I have my wallet. I enjoy reading time at school. I like to play with my friends too.
Hi everyone, my name is Nathan. For Monday to Saturday, I usually wake up at 5 o'clock. In the morning, I need to prepare myself to school. There are many activities I have to do before going to school. First of all, I do my bed until it is ready. After that, I sweep the floor. I love to see my room neat and clean. When I still feel sleepy, I walk around my house also. I do some physical movement to stretch my body. Then I prepare some books. Based on schedule, I do not want to read any book at home. I wash my face, brush my teeth, then have a shower. Finally, I eat breakfast after wearing my school uniform before going to school. I have my parents. I enjoy learning time at school. I like to play with my friends. Thank you.
Dah.
Today I wake up I go to school at 6 o'clock. After school I play with my friends. At the end I wake up early. I do my prayer. At the end I go to sleep. That's my daily activity.
Every day I wake up and school in the morning I shower and get started. I have breakfast and go to school. Fresh off, I done my bed and go. It is very easy. After that, I sweep before I left was my room. Around my house, I was doing first my room.
Lanjut.
Every in the morning, I wake up in a workout in the swing in the middle of the bed. After that, I take a shower and wear a scrub. I then prepare my technique for school. And after that, I have breakfast and after that, I get ready to school. Still at the school, I study and play together during break. After school, I prepare the presentations for the first weekend. After that, I do the vocal practice for the and I use the hot water to take a shower and drink coffee. Then help my mom prepare dinner at the top. I read book for a while. And then I play games for entertainment before going to bed. I prepare to take our books and I will play tomorrow and will help. I will wait for an hour of practice and then I sleep. And in the morning I get ready to school. Thank
Ayo baca.
you.
My mother wakes me up at 5 past 6 a.m. It's still hard for me to up by myself, so my mother makes sure that I get up on the specific wake up. After that, I clean up my bed. As an elementary school student, I prepare the box based on the schedule today. Then I take the update at the breakfast of 6 a.m. My father always tells us to eat the break first whenever because it's the most difficult time of the day. I go to school at 6 a.m. It takes 20 minutes to get to my school. They will bring on 7 p.m. I'll study with the class till 12 past 6 p.m. Then I go home in the evening and also the rest of the lesson learn day to go to better understanding. After that, I should play with my smartphone until 8 past 6 p.m. My mother will tell me to go to bed and sleep.
My name is Marco. Today in my daily activity, what I have the apparatus get up the frustrated and when after that I watch the television, the family cartoon because the cartoon sometimes the breakfast the break the 16 and 20 by well the 60 on 13 in study and the 7 and until the 44 one day the free day that I go home the what sometimes is 20 and to hide the lunch. I name Sabito. For Monday to Saturday, I when I is so this morning but my to school 3
Oke Kak, hari ini kita sudah melaksanakan ujian praktek yang kedua yaitu bahasa Inggris. Ya, Ibu sangat apresiasikan bagi kalian yang sudah ikut ujian hari ini. Kita kasih tepuk tangan. Ibu sebutkan nama yang nilainya tertinggi dalam ujian bahasa Inggris. Yang Ibu panggil boleh maju ke depan ya. Dari presentasinya bagus, pengucapannya bagus dan lebih kreatif lagi menggunakan gambar. Yang pertama, Zio. Yang kedua, Juliana. Erwin. Sena. Oke, ini mana? 4 ya.
Jangan